used to come over to your house every day. Still remember the smell of your car when you drove me down to that lake. Felt so good staying up all night, that will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes.
Welcome back to Simple Living. I just jumped on here real quick because I've been asked several times for me and Superman's salsa recipe. So this is a quick and simple recipe for a simple living channel. It is our ghost pepper from our garden salsa, and I'll tell you what, if you like spicy and you like salsa, you will love this recipe. I just breathed in as I was making it, and it made me cough. So in this recipe, I used an entire whole ghost pepper, seeds and all. So if you do not want it as spicy, I would suggest you use half a ghost pepper and seed it. And then it'll have a mild ghost pepper taste, but it will not be so hot that it melts your teeth. All right, well, if this is something that you might be interested, stay tuned. And listen, y'all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit that bell button so you don't miss any video. This is a simple living channel, all the way from salsa to food, to desserts, to DIYs. I just have a little bit of everything on this channel. So anyway, go ahead. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. And I'd appreciate that. It helps me out a lot. Okay, God bless you and enjoy this recipe.
Fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly. Used to come over to your house every day. Still remember the smell of your car when you drove me down to that lake. Felt so good staying up all night, that will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time since we were together. There's a special place in my heart that's yours forever. If I could fly right back to where I belong, fly right back to my home sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, I'd fly. Sometimes it feels like you just wanna run. It's easier than facing your own